Hello guys, this is Erica from Brazilian Belle. Thank you so much for watching this video. Today we're going to show you how to prepare a cold brew with our Bikini body boost. So forget steeping tea bags in hot water and then chilling it over ice to make iced tea. The very best way to make the perfect iced tea is to cold brew. It's very simple, very easy, and I think that the hard part here is to wait for the tea to be ready. So the formula for a tasty cold brew fruit tea is this tea, in this case our Bikini Body Boost, fruits plus herb and plus citrus. So in order to prepare a cold brew tea, you will need tea, in this case our Bikini Body Boost. Secondly, we will need sliced fruits. We have here strawberries. Then you can add the citrus, which we have here lemons, or you can also use limes. And finally, you can add herbs, which we have here basil, or you can also use mint. So once we have all the ingredients ready, we'll put them all in the pitcher, and then you will wait 8 to 12 hours. Once this time is over, you will just remove the tea bags, and then you can go ahead and try your tea. So now let's get on it, okay? So for this recipe, you will need 4 bags of tea of your Bikini Body Boost. You will add them to the pitcher. 3, 4. And then you can go ahead and stir. So, while this is ready, we'll go ahead and continue with the other ingredients. So we will leave the pitcher here, and now we will move on to the other ingredients. So you can just pick up 6 to 8 strawberries, and you'll just need to slice the strawberries. And then you will just put them on the pitcher with the other 2 bags. It's your choice. You can use more than 8 strawberries, you know, to add some flavor to the tea. Okay, so I will just put them on the pitcher, and we'll move on to the next ingredient. So we will add some lemons. Fruits will add a very nice color to the tea, and of course a very nice flavor to it. So you can go ahead and stir. And finally, you can go ahead and add a handful of basil. And then you can go ahead and stir finally. So now you will just close this up, and then you will go ahead and refrigerate the pitcher. You will need to wait like 8 to 12 hours for this drink to be ready. Here I have my drink already done. I left this overnight just to let the water consume all the flavors. So now let's go ahead and try it. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you the next time. thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and we'll see you the next time.